How many days per week should you work out?
Fitness experts typically recommend working out between 3 and 5 days per week for most people. This range allows enough exercise to see progress and boost health while giving the body time to recover. The exact number depends on your goals, experience level, and schedule. But working out too little or too much can both limit results.
What if you're a beginner?
Beginners should start with about 2 to 3 workout sessions each week. This gives your muscles time to adapt and recover, reducing the risk of injury or burnout. Sessions can be as simple as brisk walks, basic strength training, or guided fitness classes. As your fitness improves, you can gradually increase how often you work out.
How often for building muscle?
If building strength or muscle is your goal, aim for 3 to 5 workouts per week. Train different muscle groups on separate days. This is known as a split routine. Make sure to include rest days so your muscles can repair and grow stronger, as recovery is essential for optimal gains.
How much cardio per week?
For overall health, experts suggest at least 150 minutes of moderate cardio per week. That's about 30 minutes on most days. You can split sessions up throughout the week or combine them on fewer days, depending on your schedule. Include activities you enjoy, such as cycling, jogging, swimming, or dancing.
Can you work out every day?
Exercising daily isn't necessary for most people and can even lead to overtraining or injury. It's important to give your body rest, especially with intense workouts. If you love daily activity, alternate intense and gentle workouts, or include activities like stretching, yoga, or walking for active recovery.
What if you're short on time?
Short, focused workouts still count toward your goals. Even 20-minute sessions of strength training or high-intensity intervals can make a difference if done consistently. The key is to find a routine you can stick with, rather than aiming for perfection and burning out quickly.
What's the bottom line?
The ideal workout frequency is 3 to 5 days per week for most people. This approach balances fitness gains, recovery, and long-term motivation. Remember to listen to your body, adjust based on your lifestyle, and choose activities you enjoy for lasting success.